Have you ever felt like your dreams and goals are just floating around in your mind, with no clear direction on how to achieve them? Well, what if I told you there's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you focus your energy and bring those dreams closer to reality? That's right, today, we're talking about vision boards. Vision boards aren't just about sticking pictures on a board, they're about creating a visual reminder of where you want to go in life. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into how to create a vision board that's not only beautiful but also effective in helping you achieve your goals. So, grab your favorite journal or a notepad and let's get started. What is a vision board and why it works? A vision board is a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It's a collage of images, words, and affirmations that inspire you and remind you of what you're working toward. But this isn't just arts and crafts, it's a tool grounded in psychology. By keeping your goals in sight, literally, you're training your brain to focus on them. This concept is called the Reticular Activating System, or RAS. When you repeatedly see visual reminders of your goals, your brain becomes more attuned to opportunities and ideas that align with those goals. Think of it like planting seeds. Every time you see your vision board, you're watering those seeds, helping them grow into tangible results. Step 1. Get clear on your goals. Before you even pick up a pair of scissors or print out pictures, you need clarity. Take some time to reflect on what you really want. Break it down into categories like career, health, relationships, finances, personal growth, and fun. Be specific. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be healthy," say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months and run a 5K." Write these goals down in present tense, as if they're already happening. For example, "I am earning $10,000 a month," or "I am enjoying a fulfilling relationship." Writing them this way helps your brain to see them as achievable. Step 2. Gather your supplies. Now that you know what you want, it's time to gather materials. You'll need a board. This can be a corkboard, poster board, or even a digital app if you prefer. Magazines, printouts, or access to Pinterest for images. Scissors, glue, markers, and stickers for decorating. Having fun with this process is key. The more engaged you are, the more meaningful your vision board will be. Step 3. Collect images and words. Start collecting visuals that resonate with your goals. For example, if you want to travel to Paris, find a picture of the Eiffel Tower. If you're aiming for financial freedom, use images of money or words like abundance and wealth. If your goal is about personal growth, look for quotes or affirmations that inspire you, like "I am enough" or "the best is yet to come." Don't overthink it, go with your gut. If something speaks to you, include it. Step 4. Arrange your vision board. Lay everything out on your board before you start gluing or pinning things down. Organize it in a way that feels good to you. You can group items by category or create a flow that represents your journey. For example, place short-term goals closer to the center and long-term goals toward the edges. This part is about creating a layout that inspires you every time you look at it. Step 5. Add personal touches. Once your main images and words are in place, add some personal touches. This could be a photo of yourself smiling, a handwritten note to your future self, or symbols that have special meaning to you. These touches make your vision board uniquely yours and add an emotional connection to your goals. Step 6. Place your vision board strategically. Your vision board needs to be somewhere you'll see it often. Whether it's by your desk, on your bedroom wall, or as your phone's wallpaper if it's digital, make sure it's in a spot where it can regularly inspire you. Step 7. Use affirmations. Add affirmations to your daily routine alongside your vision board. These are positive statements that reinforce your goals and mindset. For example, "I am confident and capable of achieving my dreams," or "I attract success and abundance into my life." Step 8. Visualize daily. Spend a few minutes each day looking at your vision board and imagining your goals as already achieved. Picture yourself living that life. Feel the emotions, joy, excitement, gratitude. This step is crucial because it bridges the gap between your current reality and your desired future. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little inspiration. Let me know in the comments, what's one goal you're excited to add to your vision board? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.